There is two methods available to view your battery percentage, okay? So basically right up here in the top right corner, guys, you're just gonna take your finger where the Wi-Fi signal and the battery pack are, and you're gonna swipe down. That brings up your control center, and right there is your battery percentage, okay? And you can do this from the lock screen or the home screen. It doesn't really matter. Just put your finger in the top right corner and swipe down. That's all there is to it, guys. And the second method to finding your battery percentage is by asking Siri. Hey Siri, what is my battery percentage?
Your iPhone is at 85%.